Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Home, My Study. Today we will be learning 6th standard General Science, chapter number 1, Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. So here we are solving our questions. First is fill in the blanks. The layer of ozone gas absorbs UV rays that come from the sun to the earth. Next is of the total water available on the earth, fresh water forms 0.3%. Next is both biotic and abiotic constituents are present in the soil. Next is why is it said that? First one, the ozone layer is protective shell of the earth. So why it is said? The answer, because it absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Next is water is life. Water is one of the most precious resources which we have on the earth. All biochemical processes which occur in plants and animals or surrounding etc. Next question is, seawater is useful even though it is not potable. Answer is because it has various other kind of uses which prove its importance. First one, water from oceans can be used for making electricity, a form of renewable sources of energy. It can be used as cheap transport method. They support as variety of flora and fauna which have both ecological and economical value. Next question. Okay, next one is, what will happen if microbes in the soil get destroyed? Answer, soil contains various kind of microbes like bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, etc. All of these microorganisms play an important role. Like certain bacteria and blue-green algae have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. This is in turn enriches the fertility of soil. Next, the bacteria and fungi present in soil decompose dead organic waste plants and animals and convert them into manure. So this was the importance of microbes. Next is the number of vehicles and factories in your surroundings increases. Answer, if the number of vehicles and factories increases in our surroundings, it is obvious that it would result in increased level of air pollution and noise pollution. Next, total supply of potable water is finished. What will happen? The total supply of potable water is finished. क्या होगा अगर पूरा पानी खत्म हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? If the total supply of potable water is finished, then the life on earth will end. अगर पानी खत्म हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? अर्थ पे कोई भी जिंदगी बाकी नहीं रहेगी. Next question is, match the following. Group A, first one, carbon dioxide. The answer is C, plants and food production. First कहेगा C. Second, oxygen combustion. Next, water vapor, rain, B1. Fourth one is microbes, generation of soil, A wala hai. Name the following constituents of the biosphere. Answer is hydrosphere and atmosphere. Okay. Next one, biotic constituent of soil. Answer is microorganisms and insects. Next, fossil fuel. Answer is coal and petroleum. Next, D1, inert gases in air. The answer is oxygen and nitrogen. E1, gases that are harmful to the ozone layer, carbon tetrachloride. Moving to the next question, number 6. True or false? Land and soil are the same thing. False. B, the water in lake is called groundwater. False. It takes about 1000 years to form a 25 centimeter thick layer of soil. False. Radon is used in decorative lights. False. Question number 6. Answer in your own words. First one, explain with the help of a diagram how soil is formed. This is on page number 6. You have to draw this diagram also with the answer. देखो लास्ट पैराग्राफ में द सॉइल ऑन द लैंड पूरा पैराग्राफ आएगा सॉइल टू फॉर्म तक. नेक्स्ट, व्हाई इज देयर अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर इवन दो इट ऑक्यूपाइज अबाउट 71% ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस. सो द आंसर इज ऑन पेज नंबर 7. जो लास्ट में जो टेबल दिया ऊपर नीचे वाला पैराग्राफ पूरा आएगा इसमें. लैंड, पोर्टेबल वाटर, ऑक्सीजन, ये पूरा लिखना है आपको परसेंटेज बना के, पूरा आंसर आएगा. नेक्स्ट, सी व्हाट आर द वेरियस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ द एयर. राइट देयर यूजेस. ओके, सो द आंसर इज ऑन पेज नंबर 2. सम यूजेस ऑफ गैसेस इन एयर, ये पूरा नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑर्गन, हीलियम, नियॉन, क्रिप्टन, जीनॉन, पूरा आंसर लिखना है, पूरा यूजेस लिखना है इसका. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, वाई आर एयर, वाटर एंड लैंड कंसिडर टू बी वैल्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्स. देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहा है कि पानी, हवा और धरती को नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज क्यों माना जाता है. सो द आंसर राइट फ्रॉम हियर, द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट इलुसिडेट द फैक्ट दैट एयर, लैंड एंड वाटर आर valuable natural resources. First one, importance of air. It requires for various biological functions and biochemical cycles. Second, importance of land. The plants and animal which we use also grow in land. All territories organisms live on land. We use for the purpose of land farming, building houses, road, etc. Third one, importance of water. Water is central to live the lives of aquatic animals which live in water. Water plays an important role in various vital processes that are carried out by our body. With this we have ended our chapter. If you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel and
एक
share
like
with
तो
your
बनता
friends.
है।